Hey there, Eagle Eye Roofing. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing agency, and I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you to show you and your team some tips and tricks on some techniques. If utilized and implemented correctly, are guaranteed to rank you higher on Google. So before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to be able to serve you as much value as possible. So by the end of this video, you see that I have some knowledge in this space, and you would like to move forward with my team and myself. Feel free to reach out. We would love to chat. But if not, no harm, no foul. The only thing that we ask is that you let us know what we could have done better to have served you more value in this video. So I'm going to go over three things, really brief three things, but three things if implemented correctly can give you some fantastic results. So those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So we're on your homepage right now, so we'll start with content. So what content is going to be, in a nutshell, is it's going to be the actual written words of content that you have on your page, the images in the background, and then the images in the forefront, as you can see, like right here. So when it comes to your homepage, we recommend no less than 1,500 to 2,000 words of written content. Let me see, going through your page right now, you guys don't have all that much content, which is fine. The reason why you'd want it to be 1,500 to 2,000 words of written content on your homepage is because you want to be able to pack in as many keywords as possible. We found that the sweet spot is going to be around 15 to 20 high-ranking keywords on your homepage. Since your homepage is most likely going to be the page that ranks on Google and most likely the page that Google, the crawlers of Google will search first. If you can make your homepage stand out and be extremely relevant to the industry that you're in and the clientele that you can serve, that'll help your page rank a lot higher. When it comes to the actual pages in the background and the pages in the forefront, you just want those to be saved as the highest ranking keywords in your area, so whatever that might be. If it is, even if it's like your business's name, Eagle Eye Roofing, gutter installation, Akron, Ohio, gutter installation, whatever it might be, make sure that all those images are saved as those high-ranking keywords, because Google does read that, and that does go into the ranking factors. So second, we'll go into citations. So let me back up for a second. What a citation is, it's going to be your business's name, the business's address, and the business's phone number. So those three things, the address, name, and phone number, are going to be one citation. And the more directories you have your citations in, directories being like LinkedIn, Facebook, CityStar, BBB, online resources for businesses to plug in their information, the more citations you have in those directories, the better you're going to be able to rank in the map pack section right here. That's like the primary incentive of rankings in the map pack section, actually. And the great thing about ranking higher in the map pack section is that you'll also rank higher in the organics down here. And the more you rank in the organics, the more you'll rank in the map pack section. So you could even do your own little, I'm sure you have like your independent research and seen that a lot of these guys that are killing it in the top three right here are usually ranking on the top page of the organics on Google as well. So definitely do not overlook the benefit of implementing citations into your business. And lastly, we'll go into backlinks. So this tool right here, it's a paid online tool. It's called Ahrefs. And the great thing with this is that you can look into not only your information for how your site is performing, but your competitions as well. And you can see their keywords, their backlinks, where they're getting their backlinks from, all that good stuff. So a quick breakdown of this little section right here. The UR and the DR is going to be your URL trustworthiness on Google and your URL dominance on Google. And that will go up when your SEO reflects it, right? So let's see, we'll start down here actually. You guys are getting 109 organic traffic per month, which is great. You have 128 organic keywords on your entire site, and you're getting 96 backlinks from 21 referring domains. And I'm sure you already know, but just to refresh your memory in case you have forgotten what a backlink is, it's going to be a link from your site to another site or from another site to your site. And the more backlinks, the better. That helps your site rank a lot higher. But a quick caveat, not all backlinks are created equal. So the more relevant the backlink, the stronger it'll be and the more dominance you'll have online. So let's say you have a backlink to a Chuck E. Cheese, and obviously Chuck E. Cheese is a huge business and a big industry, but since it's completely irrelevant to your business and the industry and the clientele that you'll be serving, that backlink would do you no good. But if you had it linked up to, let's say, like an expertise.com or a Home Depot, whatever it might be, something like that, that would help you rank a lot higher. So these are your analytics right here of your site. I actually have your competition as well plugged into Ahrefs. So we have Craig Roofing right here. As you can see, they're getting 742 organic traffic per month. They have 1,500 keywords on their entire site, and they're getting 248 backlinks from 46 referring domains. Let's look into one more of your competition right here. We have Droco Roofing. They're getting 229 organic traffic per month with around 240 organic keywords on their site. And they're actually having 321 backlinks from 155 referring domains. So all in all, what you can do with this tool as well is, let's say, okay, I want to get this 248 backlinks so I can rank a lot higher like Craig Roofing is. And as you can see, Craig Roofing is, oh, they're actually #1 in the organics right there. So it wouldn't hurt to use them as an example. So you can actually click into their backlinks and you can see exactly where they're getting their backlinks from. You could see the pages that they're going to. You could most likely even find the content that the link is being linked to. And you can see the expertise.com, you have Digital Journal, Press Advantage, Best Pros in Town, a lot of very, very relevant sites, a lot of relevant sources, referring domains and whatnot that are giving them their dominance online. So you could go in here, get the exact same backlinks and boost your site a lot higher. Same with the keywords. So let's go into the Droco Roofing example. You could say, okay, like they're doing pretty well. They're actually right under them. They're #3 in the organics right there. And so you can go into their Ahrefs account. You can click on their keywords. And since we're saying you need around 1,500 to 2,000 keywords, high-ranking keywords, or no, 2,000 to 1,500 written words of content with 15 to 20 high-ranking keywords, excuse me, on your homepage, you could go in here. You can see exactly what they're using, the exact keywords, and also how the keywords are benefiting their site. So volume right here means the amount of clicks that keyword is getting per month. That's on all of Google, right? So if you have something that's more relevant to the area like Ohio, Akron, Ohio, Canton, Ohio, that's going to do you a lot better. And so a higher volume and a lower KD is what you want to look for. KD means keyword difficulty. So essentially the competition behind that keyword. So a good ratio would be a high volume, a low KD. Canton Roofer, 200 volume, 6 KD, a great word to plug into their site, right? So you could utilize them as well and go into all the keywords, see what they're using, put it into your content and rank your site a lot higher and grab more of that business. So I don't want this video to go over too long. Like I said in the beginning, if you found some value from watching this video and you'd like to move forward, my team and myself, feel free to reach out. We would love to chat. Thank you. Bye-bye.